Welcome, everyone. It's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with a special limited edition card kit celebrating mothers. I'll be walking you through the kit, and I'm going to start off with the stamp set, and this is called Mom's Meadow. It is a 6x8 stamp set with lovely flowers, leaves, and several messages to put cards together for your moms or to make everyday cards using the beautiful flowers and butterflies. We've included something really new. This is a toner sheet and it is on heat-resistant acetate. So we have the Leafy Frame and it has the toner on one side. You can use these with the deco foil that comes in your kit. You get 5 sheets of this beautiful green. And if you use it with your Mink machine or any kind of laminate machine, you can transfer the foil onto that acetate. Another fun thing that we've included is a package of the Tim Holtz Gumdrop Hearts and also a bottle of Gumball alcohol ink. You can drop these inks right onto those hearts to color them pink. From Doodlebug, we've included a pack of Roses Are Red sprinkles and also a Sending Love 3D pop sticker. So that has papers and also those enamel sprinkles attached. The papers for this kit come from Memory Box. They are double-sided. There are 12 sheets included. The front sides and the back sides mimic each other, where there's a little bit of flower showing in a corner of the back side, and the front side has a full background of flowers. There are quite a variety of the colors. They are perfect for spring card making and go really nicely with the stamp set and also the cardstocks that we've also included. So that was 12 sheets, double-sided, of Cottage Meadow from Memory Box. We've included 3 envelopes for you. The first is dull pink, white, and also metallic leafy green, and these all have that peel away stick 'em so you don't have to lick 'em. Our cardstocks, you'll get 4 in this kit. The first one is Cotton Candy, 80-pound Nina Solar White, Green Leaf, and Midnight Green from Simon Says Stamp. I have some card inspiration for you using the contents of the kit. This first one, I've created a shaker card using that Leafy Frame toner sheet, along with the foil that I have heat transferred using my Mink machine. I stamped my greeting onto one of the pattern papers, then added my sequins and some foam tape and everything on top to finish off the card. My next card features the alcohol gumball ink, and I've created a background on Yupo. I've also colored in my hearts and used some alcohol lift ink for my image. And then I white embossed some flowers onto some vellum and then added a message. My next card is a tag where I've white embossed my leaves onto some vellum, added a ribbon and die cut some paper using the Simon Says Stamp large tag dies. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough and inspiration for our limited edition Celebrating Mothers card kit. Remember, it's only available while supplies last. I have the links to the card kit down in the description box below. And as always, thanks so much for watching.